Alright guys, I need to start moving things around, getting ready for the new PC build. As you can see, I struggled to even keep my desk clean for more than a month, so I guess I'm a bit of a failure. But I did free up a small amount of space, I guess. I mean, I don't know, but the rest of the computer parts came. The reason I'm starting today is because my case came in today, a day early, making this week just a bit better. So, the rest of my parts, you can see just a little sneak preview before I actually lay this all out and stuff, but cool stuff, you know. Last video I said I ordered a 3900X, boom, there's now a 3900X under my desk. I'm like in the scene hype mood. I don't know where I'm going to shoot this video. I don't know what to do. I'm at a loss. I actually don't know how to go about filming this video, but I think I'll have to do it up in the loft. So yeah, see how that goes. Also, just a quick disclaimer, this video will be broken into two parts. First will be the build, second will be the tuning and benchmarks. But yeah, all in all, I guess let's get started. Yeah. Who needs a case when you've got an IKEA bag? Hello everyone, Owen Dyke here and welcome back to another video. Now, sure has been a while since I got this awesome ROG laptop that still serves me well. It's very strong. I do very much like it, but I decided for myself I wanted an upgrade. This is a bit bigger, let's say. So we're going to start off really quick here with the case. I've chosen the P400A from Fantex. This is from their Eclipse lineup of cases, and the A supposedly stands for airflow, which means that they've perforated the front panel rather than just relying on the top and bottom intakes. I mean, some people have had better experiences with this than others. Science Studios seem to have a few issues justifying the whole A part of this case, but it seems to perform better when there is in fact a rear fan installed. And I've gone with the case without DRGB fans pre-installed because in the future I want to install some higher performance fans, and the ones that come with the parts that I've bought are already very good. And I mean, just the lack of necessity for bling around here is enough to justify getting the cheaper version, which these fans are also fine. They're just regular black PC fans, and no ketchup and mustard cables to be found here, which is very nice. Ryzen 3900X. And to cool that, I nearly dropped something already. Linus Tech Tips computer build, huh? This Cooler Master Liquid RGB ML240. It's a great liquid cooler for the price. Asus Prime X570 Pro. Now this motherboard is a great value for the money. Granted, it's got a lot of white features, but I figured white is a pretty neutral color when it comes to a computer that's going to have some RGB in it, because it allows it to kind of take on the appearance of any other color. So it doesn't lock me to a particular color scheme, and that's what I really liked about it. I've got a cable mod coupon in here that I will actually use, so yes, nobody gets that for free. It comes with a DVD. This case doesn't even have a 5¼ inch base, so I cannot use a DVD, plus everything is online. The user guide, I will actually use that to refer to which RAM slots are 1 and 2. It also comes with an extra RGB cable, one of those handy dandy pre-installed motherboard header blocks that allows you to pre-install your cables, these standoffs and screws for your M.2 SSD, and some nice standard black right angle SATA cables. I'm just checking if there's an M.2 heat spreader at all. Looks like there might be one here. I would like to hide my M.2 drive, which, I was wondering, is a Crucial P1, which was a steal of a deal. As for my hard drive storage, I'm going to be using this hard drive that was originally for a Western Digital Sentinel, but that NAS has since died and this hard drive was never used, so might as well use it for something else. This here is the Trident Z Neo RAM, which has allegedly been optimized for AMD processors. Of course, some, again, people have, dabbled with the fact that yes or no, that might be true, might not be true. Here is the graphics card. That right there is an RTX 2080 Super. So that's the newest line of NVIDIA graphics cards. Definitely not the highest end, which is the 2080 Ti, but frankly I can't afford that. So